So you are ready to apply for a concealed pistol license, but you are unsure as to items or things that have occurred in your past, or maybe even presently, that you're unsure of if those things are going to prevent you from obtaining your CPL. That's what we're talking about here today. Hello, everyone. My name is Joseph Radzwin IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwin Law PLLC, and today we are looking at pending legal actions or things that can be occurring in the court system that may prevent an individual from obtaining their CPL. So by court order, there's a specific area in the statute that talks about that if a court has ordered an individual to be hospitalized for inpatient treatment, has declared that person legally incapacitated, or has issued a personal protection order against that individual, or has found that individual not guilty for a criminal offense based on reason of insanity, all of these items, all of these things that the court has found is going to prohibit or prevent an individual from obtaining their CPL here in the state of Michigan. Now, there is one that is the most common I see as a criminal defense attorney, and that is a condition of bond. If an individual has a case and bond is set by the judge, one of the most common and really standardized conditions of bonds that a judge will place on a case or an individual is that of you cannot possess or purchase a firearm while you are on bond. Now, this type of prohibition is ultimately going to prevent an individual from obtaining their CPL. In a later post, we will discuss the crimes and convictions here in the state of Michigan that will also prohibit an individual from obtaining their CPL. If you would like to see that video, make sure you are subscribed. The best way to do that is by heading on over to our blog page and checking out our Never Miss Another Post box. Then also, please leave us a comment below if you like this content. Hit the like button if you support the Second Amendment. And thanks again for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time. If you like these and our other informational posts that we make, head on over to our website, radzwinlaw.com, and as soon as the homepage loads, our Never Miss Another Post box will pop up. If you enter your email address here and click the I Want to Receive Updates box, then the subscribe box, you will have a link sent to your email inbox every time that we do a case update or another post. This is the most sure and effective way to see our content, and some of which may be exclusive content, rather than looking for it on our social media or waiting for that social media notification to come through.